Hello, Andy Drennan from FPSA here. I'd like to talk to you today about one of our programs, 180 Skills. And specifically, I'd like to share some comments that I heard from one of our members in a recent conversation regarding the program. This is one of our members who is actually looking to implement the program on a large scale in their company. Some of the things that we talked about, obviously, it's $349 per user per year, and something that I had to stress to him, per year, that's not calendar year, that's based on the anniversary. As we've talked to our members about, the library for 180 Skills has over 700 courses, which are being updated all the time. In fact, just today, we sent out an alert to our members about some new courses that were posted to the program. This program, one of the main things that appeals to this particular member, it's made for manufacturers. Besides that, you're able to study on your own schedule. There's no travel costs. And obviously, like I said before, it's got an extensive library that is made for manufacturers, which he really was interested in. Most importantly, though, the final point that really resonated with him was that the fact that he is able to manage the professional development progress of his employees as they go through it. So he gets to see how they're completing each course, which he finds very useful in keeping up with their work. So just some thoughts here. If you're interested in 180 Skills, please contact my office, Anne-Marie Penaranda, or myself, either one of us at FPSA. We're happy to discuss the 180 Skills program and get you signed up for that. So thank you.